little video to show you what I have and you know how the products look. You can let me know if you like it, want to order, all of that. I will give you my Instagram page at the end, that way you can contact me, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna start off by saying the company that I'm dealing with is very professional. Like, they answer their phone calls, quick responses. They guided me through a lot of the steps because I was blue's clues to it. You know, you ask other people that do the same thing, it's not really a lot of information they're gonna give you, but I got the information from them and was able to move forward, and bam, got the hair. So in the back I got deep wave, body wave, and straight. Now I didn't get much deep wave because I don't know that many people that wear it, but upon request I will order it. So with the hair we're gonna use the brush, this comb, and this little comb. Okay. I did receive these lashes that's in my promotion that I got going on, and I will be selling lashes soon. So basically, on my Instagram they talk about the promotion. If you want to join it, you know, you just gotta repost me, tag me in it, and then I'm gonna draw a name at the end of the week, and then boom, you got those and 2 other special gifts that I won't say. Let's get to the hair. Like, this is the best sound ever. Bundles. Okay. Let's start with the body wave closure. I really like the closures. I don't know if you've seen in my last post, but they're actually invisible once you start using them. You see? They actually look nice. This is not a good example because it's on my hand, but it is like close to skin. It has the baby hairs. I did comb this out before because I did this like my second video. So I combed it out before, but it still looks great, still bouncy. Like I said in the last video, use the brush. Girls gonna stay. They're not gonna go nowhere. Comb. It's gonna stay. Not gonna go nowhere. And you see, there's no hair in it. It's no hair, no shedding, which is a good thing. You don't want to be laying next to your man and boom, you got a lot of hair. All right, well, we're gonna put that together later. So that's the straight on the body wave. Now we have straight here, which is my favorite. Very regular, but I like to hear it. So this is the straight, nice and bouncy. Again, use the same brush. And I'm gonna ask that you guys don't put too much product in it, because that's how you mess up your bundles with anybody. You don't need that many products. We're gonna do that, shake it up, shake the room like hot smoke. Yep. Look, it still stay the same. Just give it a little brush and you're good. So you can still have your same wild, kinky, nasty, you know, sex, and your bundles will be fine. Now here is my good. I didn't get too much of this because not too many people wear this, but upon request I can get more. But this is it. So I have a wig here that I made. This was made with the body wave, and I really didn't use too much. I used 2 bundles and a little thread piece like this size, and that's what I made with the to make this wig. It's nice and full. You don't need much hair. So girls that like to double your wefts, you don't have to do that. Just one go across. Just make sure they're, you know, close together. You can do that. You can spread them apart a little bit. It'll still be full. And this wig has been through a lot. I dragged it on the floor, threw it outside, literally. Like, I did a lot to this wig, and it still looks fabulous. Unfortunately, the top of it, this is not the lace that I have. That's why it's looking like that. I mean, it looks okay, but it's not really like when you part it, invisible. So I ordered the bundles at first. Then I had to find a little lace, you know, a little closure to go at the top. But overall, I like the wig. I will do something to it and then post how it look later on. So that is that. And I just want to show you the middle part. Let's see. So you can see how I did the wefts. So they're all in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're all there. And it's more at the bottom. I did them close together, but that's just how I do sewing anyway. So, but I could have tweaked it, saved a little bit more here, but I didn't want to. It's a perfect little wig. But yeah, so far that's what I have, and I will be getting longer lips and